Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yet to know some why our boy. Now, good morning. On me, the week young wefusa, a do go. That way, I go more a bogbe. Because we go back dollar to you, go back dollar to you. You are causing chaos and division among those in the diaspora.
Iwie do nous avons maintenant social media president wano gwale emetanata deba wano one mayafe gagogo utewe bona yafe amai gwale na anase wadige o na mweni no goma do amuyo wan.
Thank you.
Imni gwalo ni wie do yafe ni mayara ku.
Okay.
Na ga ba ma ogi. Inoma na lao na gume tame o mede no do ya hen
o mede awa inyan
meno ya iuna nye gwale ogogo ni wie do ropropa
ato
na lao na gun ya fe ogbe akoko na gume tie na ka ma we enwenwa ni ma yogogo ya hin o tewe bona nyo pa do ka we nyo wa Ahiara de on a here mawo.
Oh logo.
Mudawe on a di san yo bo. Amadi san yo bo no ya dori amani we do ya fe wa. Adi san ne we na ya sie e do ya koko. Ora o ino na lao na gume tamai. Mene social media president na gi ungie. En me oni me dolo yen wan woni edi ya wa wotedo. E ken gba ẹ̀yẹn gbànà wá ní àwọn adọ́lọ̀ yẹ́yà yìí àwọn àwọn òwe rí àní ọmọ wá àwọn ikọ̀ sàlóbọ̀ adébà òpé àwòkù ni mà yá fẹ́ ìwà dàgbùnà wàhálà ìmí bùn ní àtìwé ní júnù kan òdáwẹ́ òdìdọ́lẹ̀wò ní mẹ́nẹ́ social media president yìí ìmáwọn oníyẹ júnù kan wàhálà wòwò wagwe nyoma no weni dia wona wa no weni adolo na ga kugbe o ya fe wagwe mweru nko no weni doge ma no weni doge temu wagwe mweru nko omede maone imiro pa mani rewebo o no ligi garo mo wedi nuna gie na nda ya weni gwa genu de ita enewe adolo hin ya gwalo hin ya weni do you no kame so wa gile we aweze ga ku nlugure amasie gbo ma sebe di onia na lao ni ma ya fe na tie be ou vient ou la ba no me na ta ma we magwalo gogo we webo magwale atemu we webo magwale mi no mawe webo mama ona ga yi o ma ro pa hunsu
okay
ma oni ya fe ga gogo kugbe
that's it
imogun no salogbo age no do yun si we webo na wo pa awado laja wu mi san wonu ya ri aya wa we ma we ri o salogbo wa o buwe ade o ke buwe so na gun eyan ge o mede de bayo ga no ro ahin ma oni ye gun adolo igwalo oga na ni to boy okiriwo ndawe we ya tita we wo pa wa osalobwa lo tewe bona benu ekeruwe na yo we wawe onu na we degi wawe edi won we degi na gun ka ban we adolo ni gwalo na negeri ayewa wa ya gita no de na we na settle eskimi ya ve big igiran ogele tiyanu de a settlement no gi settle yin ya ri ayewa to ya dolo me we do awon ku do amu yo yen ho we ge no sina we o ni look pa fo na jeti e sino mo fun ni te gwegun ni magun ni amamu ole kan we fun so na la o wa no sikoi wa e we okoro te won pa we gwa oba to pe ise ote yunu kan we so we gwa but na ka so do ai na la o na gun eta ma se di ogwe we bona ya fe imare do ma temu mama do gbele gbe ma mama do mo si ma ya gbele gbe ma ha o ni ma yo geri agbe ma wa o gbe ano ko no ri we ni ri o geri a e moni ke wa moni yu si ni ma me o ko saloboa do wi we ze baye e ngune se gama yina na lao me dole mi hane e avia wo eti me abe e presenters no bon tie me ne no saloboa mu dia na wo ya tie me ne mami azio ne magwane benu mami ha ya are o te we bona e mani bon e keni weje na ya gogo we e pisi ni mure na no wa je kan video adia na ya fi adia bi but o mede no ro ahen no ri obi yo ba magwa le pisi na
yo ba e ready e na do agumo
oge oye yari ba
amede ka amara obi edoni
oga bana oge otu oge yona wana agumo emi aye we oge na o la no mo soto ni ma make na mi mame aye wa ye ya he enyenye ba wendo ye ya he do anu ya to wa we
okay
ba wesi ona ya vasi ni kari ne oga iwe gbe fi boy gbedun emi ya fe ni be ya re be ni mi ya re iwe do ogogo ma he ya ta wo ya fe make na he eno we sunu we gwa no do ari efo a no do ari lajan ogogo ma ya ta pisi ma ya ta wo ya fe make na he no da we anenwe ki zigi so we ni tama na lao ogbe anoku no we ni eri awe bona wa we ni eri won na so ni eri won na so ni egwale mi ne pisi e garo ologo wa ni he ga mi bi gi ogwa ya fe bi Jesus Christ no nyawa ise
yewa
Panica o mojo. Oba. Ele mari sari ka do amina na. Ni ya ke ni ka o.
This one is this particular one is the interrogation of Mr. Okoro Ogoshere at the palace. I don't know if the record is loud enough.
Mama, me say the way. I need to know what it be. Very no way. What it happened to our number. I mean, talk about we don't know. I want you to that movie face or key face. Oh my God. We were here to win. I didn't win here. And that thing was another way. About the new way, one in a color for a mammy over. Or looking at a walk, I won't be looking at a way. I can't feeling the kind of nuance. I have people so don't many other people do what they don't
What abi apasi la segwa why kato boy ta where have okebo this way you mueve ya you mu kan ni kawa tona kebo mo key face yani with social media a position in Medina meo one mo bola dian kwa oyere awe owokan e o di agbera o agbiye o anowe o sinu o mu igbena o ya rin lawe ni yi dore me ni ya gun ahead social media ina tie you want Mariba either they are already chief or they are aspiring to be a chief. Utunuye Udogu you're a head Udogu role right now. I mean am I say Udogu the aim is not to helping a life position. In a cabin group of next. So in a doge where in a the Royal Army
Royal Army
where and no in a guana here now.
Amoni gbo one we former Mr. Roland eho one Okoro we owe don no mu egbo don no mu Benin Royal Army gbo.
I mean, if you in the internet is there where Benin Royal Army where does
Okoro where internet in the internet is there. Ona we gbo no wa Royal Army amu egbo. Wow. Roland Deho we owo omonoba omamu egbe inwere ani egbe inwere oni gbo. Owe omonoba ma be approve. Owe the Oba of Benin. Oma approve Royal Army, so there is nothing like that in the Benin Kingdom as a whole. Omede Igihon Mr. Okoro wa mu egbo. So let's just
already the system where the deal with Nikwa is the last defense to the palace, which is the Benin Royal Army. So, okay, let me just
Benin Royal Army. Ici,
so when we are not only man make Benin Royal Army. So Manado what he went to put fear on these people where and then Watana. So this very boy now and many others. They've also taken part in what I have been doing.
That is all Medianigion. Those guys are still aware. I mean, they are part of all the things that he himself has been doing. I'm a part of none of us were near.
You know now the guy now he wait here I think it's okay, all right. Okay, maybe we are so. He read Italy in Milan to be precise. I don't know not to attack you. One is saying no say oh man key face. Before that, you know before that, on the way picture man who could now when you platform a woman at within 24 hours, I want to be not do TA. When I will be all of you remain I am when he home when he mind went one for about 2 months until he are in Milan. Somebody know that when he see us in the next why not never put on but a bonnet here. Very good one in our phone. In our tea. Me what tea, me my lord land. On our move. In our where who were you there and he can't tell what a enemy where a door and I'm where you not in what you want. That is what I wanted to tell him. Hey, if I roll line, you know, we're in line. Then when I swim in the American eye, where now okay, we are finished with you. Okoni, we got the Sabwa, Ogun Ban, one I did down for you. They don't want to done. Every go past in our boy, you have them boy, my forefathers, During the invasion of the British invasion of the New Kingdom, my forefathers died for this kingdom. I will share my blood for this kingdom. If in any way, in a way, I will do anything. So that's it. Yes. Yes.
Don't even meditate to task away.
Yes.
It's my own. Why you don't that will take by
Yes.
you won't become whatever. Give out. Many my gather information. I read this facing at so my back in a close relationship in the water. Whatever, Basuma. The woman, why say the baby? No, we say.
Away unu marry na ya. Away no fi wan mi sai eleleji saro. Mega ane uma with monkey face. Now, me ready ni aya fi boy ebo. Yes. Ina amu makuma where mana I am tenedo motor or anything. I'm ready to do that. Yes.
I'm not going to is something about food. So I'm not going to wear only the loose one and the
Igion by devil.
My baby is facing now. American.
It's American.
American is the home.
Wabega, true Igion, Mr. Okoroya American. The same Igion on Mede, or wait ye guai, where Okoro wa Mede, where Okoro wa American, Yame, Mania Baji.
American. The only time in May I'm married, last Saturday. My boy, the first time in Miami was last Saturday. Alright, now remember you boy where my boy guy they get 3 years now they went now they discuss. I don't know this guy. I only met him last Saturday. Every London, you know, outside London, he drove to London and met me. That's it.
Okay, this is Facebook. That's a response on information about him.
The mind one is Facebook. It's only speculation. My speculate where a ball manano. The massive call a radio no time where one of information where we get on mega Messonia they on anything no time concerning here fear send I don't want this thing. So I know Yake, I don't know.
Okay, well aware.
Me believe with my investigation where I would get always say yes, so wrong. Always say
Ogami is different from Ogami. Look at Arisco.
What I mean,
Arisco on your money.
Okay, all right. Arisco group. Even show where or came, and that is what we believe. Outside that, I don't know.
I have one man. Let me say no. awele okwe awele ododo akwụkwọ ọkwadino ami wee ma ịgba nkwe ya n'ụba ewe nọ na ihe ịchọ ime ka ihe ya fee n'ụlọ nwanyị nọ ihe ya fee na eyi ụka nwanyị èmi lọ́tí ẹ̀kẹ́ náà wọ́n yé rí ẹ̀dùn pẹ́ àmì ọ̀rọ̀ ayé wọn náà àmì ẹ̀kìmọ̀ ìgbà ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́mọ̀ ìfinú gbọ́bá dẹ pé a máa gbá ìrìnà ẹ̀rù ó yìí nà ìrìnà ọmọ ẹ̀tẹ̀ ó gbúge aláyẹ̀ dùn mí náà yáfẹ́ aláyẹ̀ fẹ́ Meso ìrìnàjò àwọn ènìyàn yà fẹ́ ọlọ́pàá asún afọ àyà ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ ìdúnadò wà á kẹ́wé gbogbo wà á rí agbẹ́ èyí ni mẹ́rí ò ní mẹ́rin náà ó ní òparọ̀ ní àrètí ìlú òde wọ́n ní gbogbo Ni wáyò umami yẹn wáyò oníṣẹ́
Ogi Yorech, live in November, we might give Yorech one day in the total. Here go there. Mame fight in all ways. Kude. Me might talk or make one day. Okay, where if no, I mean, bill has never happened. But having Anna here, where Oviumpa, Oviekwa, Oden me, Naya be me, then I am my name, Rimmer Yaman, me, where Owako nowhere Gua. On our way, you done. On our way, no quite good talk. In Nikau, so in your I cannot tell you more than that. In here, I might go one then, but we are fighting her in all ways we can.
Wa dami o emi Maria be ori no e na owo ko paro ni ati Maria be
uno no ma vai no no be we no le ko ya no o karo de panika itiva ni alarie na o ka o be o ka mi ro de imani bi si kegwa awo mana bo yoba o mu ne uko bien abiti uko ati lo ba lu na ni o do na do bi omo re omo ni do bi omo re ki ba pa ayi ti o ni o de ari mu bo ti owo ku nu lẹ́yìn ni o dawo ni o ma re okun ni bi o ba o ya bi eye gbo re Ọlọ́run yóò bá mọ̀ ọmọ àti ìgbúgbà ẹni òbí ó bá mọ̀ pé ní ààyè rẹ̀ bí ẹ ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́kẹ̀ náà lè bí ẹsẹ́ ní ẹ̀yìn ìgbà ẹ̀gbọ́ ẹnu ẹ ti máa ní ọdún tó ga mẹ́rẹ́ àmì òhá káàbùwẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ní kà ọ̀nà sí àìmọ́ láwọ́ wọn náà lórí olókùn olùkọ́ ọ̀nà àwọn ọmọdé pẹ̀lú Me ama emi no mai gbegbe na ngwa ri kama we kuma iseti ya ro ode ti o ni kama we emi ro ati afọ ani ma ni market emi o pero afọ anopa ọmọ náà kọ ní láwọn ní ìlú ó ní ọba inú sápá ìlú ọba inú abíọ́nà ọba inú ọba náà kàwé ọba náà sílẹ̀ àwọn yọba náà jẹ́ náà kàwé ọba náà ọmọ ní àwọn ẹsẹ̀ dẹ̀rọ ọ̀nà ìdàkìlà yíyá sí wọn ẹ̀ kúkọ mákètè mi ọ̀yà náà pàdé mi ẹgbẹ́ mi àná orílẹ̀-èdè ọ̀gẹ̀lẹ̀ súnmùdẹ̀ àwa inú à òmùdá ní àná ní wákà náà wẹ̀rẹ̀ èyí àwọn ìgbìnàrí mọ̀ kíkì ìjóde kéyàkéyà fẹ́ ọwọ́ náà wọ́ mi náà jù à lẹ́ni àwọn ìyàwó ìgbìyàn àyà tàbí àkàbíyàn èdè màá rí mùgbìn ni màá yà yẹ ẹ̀bọ̀ pányẹ̀ nù rúbẹ̀ náà ìyàtọ̀ níyàn ẹ̀yìn apá ọ̀gbìyàn màmá ẹ̀wẹ̀ gbìyàn ìbíyàn wíyàn sùn ìbí màá rí sùn ààrẹ mọ́rí àkànṣe òun náà rí àti ẹ̀sùn ọ̀tọ̀ èkè náà yíyan anáṣẹ ààrùn ẹ̀yọ́ mọ̀nà bá náà nyẹ́dọ́ ẹ̀yọ́ sàlẹ̀ nìkan yẹ ọ̀tọ̀ náà yàwó àìyéwì yìí náà yẹ gbà mọ̀nà bá ọ̀sàlẹ̀ nìkan yóò tọ̀ náà yàwó tí yóò tọ̀ náà rà lóde yẹn ẹ̀yọ́ ní mẹ́ta ìwé náà yìí ẹ̀ ti mẹ́ta lẹ̀ náà yá pẹ́ mẹ́ọ̀ kpòrò yíyá ìdésù ọmọ ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ìwé ní tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀mẹ́ náà yà fẹ́ eré ọ̀rẹ́ gìnẹ̀ anábẹ̀mí ewu ẹ̀mí mọ̀ bọ̀wọ́ wẹ̀mọ́ bẹ́ wọn wẹ̀ bẹ́ ta wẹ̀rẹ́ ẹnu ẹsẹ̀ wọ́ ìlú ọ̀rẹ́ gìnẹ̀ wẹ̀ ǹdà wẹ́ kìnà wá kìnà wú ó bẹ́ yà á bí ẹ̀kẹ́ ọ̀gbọ́n gbogbo ẹnẹ ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ sí kọ́ ẹ̀ lè wá sí wáyà ọ̀gbọ́n náà ló wá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni ǹdà ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn ni nà sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́gbẹ̀rún ẹ̀yìn ni nà nínú kẹ́hùn tẹ́gbẹ̀rún.
Former Roland de Howe owe ni Maria be owe eni na yisuwe gwa otegwa owe ni Maria be owe ni na yimesho the palace wow so what do how we o medevi gion ye gwa ya face the same interrogation the prisokoro face ya must to yona
very voice what oge okuna asinu ona le se opa we ana le mo e yo wi ya wona o me ma ka won e na we boy ki ore ame o diesu ni ame do a send it you send everywhere o ma be o send me wi
ede bi ade de okoro we ma ye fo ono send ojonugu e bi ro ya mi no send ojonugu eni ore we averi e lajin
record there no ta o we send me e na we send we we ni ana no pia o ma na mai mi e na ye gwa na ni ma we o ya mi o de we o ya na be abasi where we will be here oríire dọpa ọlá tiẹ ìmẹrẹ tiẹ gbà aláàánú ẹwẹ pé inú yẹn ìkẹlẹ bí ọmọ dẹpẹ náà wí máa wọn ọlá dò tiẹ òwe yẹn là ẹni àwọ ẹkọ yẹ ẹkẹ yẹ òwe ìní wà gbọ àlọ náà ní àwọ náà ní àwọ náà pa ní ìní yẹn náà wọ ọbẹ ọba mẹfì whatever you tell me I will relate it to the palace. Mẹ́rin wọn bí mẹ́rin mẹ́ta so ọwọ́ ìtàlẹ̀ that was it he now forward information to the palace. ẹ̀dọ́pà ọ̀hún ànínú sẹ́ndẹ̀ audio ní bí mẹ́ ọ̀nàdò mú èdè line ọ̀nà like 3 ways this is the 2 times.
Ian where Princess Maria Bay either is a cousin or direct sister or something like that, you know, and where this Prince Omorege or UK relate. And Igion, all your koro ya Prince Omorege, Igion, you cannot go scot-free.
Et non bani gune. They gonna be lying na beboyi. Me ga tie no bani one day. Because unagi eaju. If I were instructed to call or to find information, I would have done that. Since I'm having gear, even if I were sending him or tearing one day, then I'm wearing the line one day. And these are just a couple of minutes.
Or tearing one day, I'm wearing your line one day. I'm Maria Bay line. Unuwagba already call. Waya fefe ni for who waya yegwa biro ya mi wa mugbe.
Apart from that day, me magi be him or ye magi be timi, me ma be tie because me give me na say gwa ana be advice me where me say na wa here. So this is it. My hands are very clean.
A problem Igion we me de ran wo bian clean be matter na ya. Royal Army, Maria Bay, trying to use the name of the palace to collect money from people. The name of you trying to remove their name from the list of Ogyomba. You guys are going to go down to the palace and swear.
All these things you are saying, this is all you movie to me. Or one me. Sometimes I'm in a phone call for 3 hours trying to to talk some people down. You know, kind of what? Where they should not be doing this.
Okay.
Myself.
Wa measure eniyan. Owo se wa ni agbagwan. Owi gihon omede kekewiyen. Why you go?
That was it. You now forward information to the palace. Edopa, only no send there. Audio ni email. Honor the way the line. Honor like 3 weeks. This is the 2 times. And nobody going. They're gonna be lying at beboyi. Me ga tie nobody one day. Because unagi eaju. If I were instructed to call or to find information, I would have done that. Since I'm having gear, even if I were sending him or tearing one day, then I'm wearing the line one day. And these are just a couple of minutes. And then you're really, I'm one in the way. Apart from that day, me magi be him or ye magi be timi, me ma be tie because me give him when I say gwa ana be advice me where he say na wa here. So this is it. My hands are very clean. Ìyá mi kemi, ìyá mo gwa gbotop, ìníkà, all these things you are saying. This is all you movie to me. Or one me. Sometimes I'm in a phone call for 3 hours trying to to talk some people down. You know, kind of what? Where they should not be doing
Okay. Okay.
Myself. Almost every day we talk about all this issue.
Almost every day. So Gion we me de wa hen ayegwa. Because when life in Nigeria, or if you want to know the full character of a man, just give the man power. One the power no biani. Put that man in a position of power. Okay, na gele a character biani. Gamere no taye wo ki agele mo power no me de Gion, Just look at their behavior now. The way they will use it to oppress people. Even kill their own brother. Even kill their own brother. He make one saloba where he give you where nobody is above the law. no. So why we a shifokoro me over Roland ti shifiba we video now. If shifokoro can be interrogated, how were omede and gion however nekina yegwa ya face question unu wa say pe royal army and no ya afie bebeye no ya ipa do ato ge we egwa giun whereas there is nothing like that. Awa ni ya record Maria Benudo pe social media wa do wa yegwa wa hajo the same question and shifokoro uwa we yegwa ya answer the same query. Uwa we yegwa ya face the same interrogation. The way you guys was, extorting money from people. The muffin wa gbadu ekini keke rano mi we video ni ya talo. Iwe so wono de. Igo owa onu wa ya rano mi go we owo ga igbe list ave me ya fefe nu wa monsa. Again, ave when wa gba eshentro. Ave gesi an wa gba eshentro we webo. Amede wi gyon ga igbe gbeneni alatian. Eni right here. Owe ni do iasa. Eni manari go ni ne. Eni anie ni agbe list ni ga yin ari ehin. Owe giona beta severi owe omaru wegwa go omaru wegwa ni ahiari ye igo nigi eranu mi go ha no de e video to oge wa ibe segwa ni ya ya be ya mawa ono gidu wegwa ni giori igo gi o yata on wa gba suma wa ke mwero ya amigbo wado ya atoge wa yata uman wa wi maria ba yo keke be prison more again or London wa we yata wa segwan e video ni rano mi go imagine no we the video ni no we no there me imion o wan send egun ni giona ya me gbi kian be video ni an no ya mo egbo gbera mo ebo gbe mo ebo gbe mo ya fefe no yike ibe kian comedy keke we fosa no fosa no salwa baba igi o hen hawani o when a scheme yan ready a call date ni yan next month June 17 a call date ni yan with mo fi wi o we scheme yan e laba o scheme yan la ba ni ru dawe o ma o scheme yan ma lu lame o bi yan he o we de ni yan he lu lame an o wona le fo a igi on udiji you are evil o hungion e mata we am my scheme yan ya lu lame we scheme yan o then a crime scheme yan then I crime wow we not cook a fake royal mi igion ama you we ya lu lame we not do aye royal mi ya toge ya impersonated gwa social media ama you we ya lu lame igion when the wife fefe ni gba suma with a princess Maria be ama you we ya lu lame udiji oze ya nu wedo ugion ayuwelu lamene a oge nu we talo yegbegwa ayuwelu lamene wa ma ye scheme ya lu lame wa be wa ena kataban we uga onwe character ogo bia ha put that man in a position of power then you will run it you will know the true color of that man aga gele mie we no tayo ana gele the sign you wapo where you guys should be the mouthpiece we no tayo e tari you wabo ke sign o me life me ameti you wabo agwa ko so bonwojin We no taye. God hear you wabo. Don't want gbo wa gelehi. And we no get don't want gbo wa here. You guys supposed to lead by an example. Example, a good behavior ni or a good one or kekenana amio. So that other people will not follow the lead. Our yes. Emani we ya gwane do with social media na unyi mi ogele wagba. E character giyan ogba. Even okunya nulaji ogba. So therefore we must follow the lead. My like behavior giyan. My like character giyan. We not taye. Ana we not taye. Cause I met it. Awahu aisunu. I met it when you guys cannot be the mouthpiece of the Edos in diaspora. Am I what there? Who are or what we go? Who are they who are fian will cake of a fossa? A fossa no fair. You may my picture I know the na now a fossa you when I hina fossa in my feet don't when I hina. Wa salu I papa. No fossa na hina. Anywhere say I will make you why here or where. But punky. Ah, but Gary. Anywhere say. Me to magmo we hin. Oh go efo. President. I wake you down. And when I beg of Spain, wa bikin. Egbe oku when we me bai. Wa fian wa ti we ya ti we ya bu loju wa o. E mo ya fe nu ki awe bi. An e ya bu loju wa o. Me no taye. Where I get a design you wabo. When wadwa ha wadwa igwane vie do ni rewebo. Okay, can where a character wa. It should reflect the people that you are representing. Or the people that send you that message. You guys supposed to lead by an example. Instead, wata when the movie high. You guys are telling lies to cause division, cause chaos, cause argument within people. You come on social media, you will insult man, you will insult woman, you will insult children. At the same time, you are telling these people that you are insulted that they send you to come and preside over them. You are a bastard. No, you cannot preside over people like that. It's not done. It's not done. Or I mean, where you guys don't have any moral right to speak for anybody. To speak for anybody. What haladian? Why me bogbo hioba? What where here? What where economic sec no rame? No yin hioba oilan. It's as simple as that. What where ogun or yang bogyoba is an go on your boy, economic bag say. Ebonori ho wati. Wa can no say econorame wati e video. Where do you go woman mama where Osiwa no man so one? Because of that, you just want to humiliate him. You planned for them to go and destroy, his property. But last year only so no. Last year we are annoying. You are still Gion is still saying where or we on a scheme I gave her on the 17th. Gama ya lulame. We scheme ya una hena ya lulame na. Then a crime scheme ya. What is this crime? Me not take it like no one ya go on. That is a criminal offense. You cannot just go about destroying people's property. It's not done. Criminal offense in it. Ana movie are they prove you wrong when we have your like a crime scheme ya. No, you wait, no, we need to go over. And you are still saying where am I yalu lame? What me there? No, what do you say? The social media, no, what Vama lame? Where Vama lame? And two of you cannot go scot free. If you continue in this part, what always also from it's a way. It's also why son way. Now they're not saying Egbena comedy. Here with that tell. They're not saying Egbena Kia. A video na di mo fi u. Owo me de ro mo drug no vi. A video ni mo gwan yo. E me sure e keka. Owo me de mo drug I mo buy we sure re ya. The Murphy say they wanted to use his son for drug trafficking. We are going on. Video ya. Hey, mama, I think sure I keka. You may show the video. Rudoni, on me David Gion, keke e fosa, only no me, only no fair. Only ne beggar with Spain. When they go out, how many years in Europe? 2 or de ye ko de go here. O me, yan gele we omobi wo mobi, ogba here. Video na the Murphy now.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
A video now of where on me the rum with drug in over. He not show the video. May he show the video? Suddenly, they started calling my number. And the Murphy send the picture go me. Hello, madam, I have your picture. Where go there, the Murphy? Why have my picture, man? Share your social media. Why will you be sending me pictures? Madam, this is your picture. Madam, have your picture. I believe, and what they was trying to do is to wear in a picture where mana only post video ni delete that's what I believe, because they have what else? Why will he be threatening me, trying to blackmail me and a picture for what? You have no reason to do that. So yeah, calling me, my phone here. What I did next, I paste their number on Facebook, because maninya no bani in my own. It may post no binya. Me ya gwalo me ya no matter where why maninya no bana igwale maninya no bana. So not to tin ya platform erano mi go ya amebo gbomo ni aye kian be ni aye kian ya ikineku. You know well, okay, these are the group of people. Nowhere egwagian una hina o. Nowhere egwagian una hina. You are picking on innocent people and ni what to talk here. Trying to insult them and insult their family for no reason. You guys have no reason to do that. No reason whatsoever. So we who wa yan we not we who wa on me David Gion e for sanoro my de boni o magbo on me David Gion we who wa fi where I la the social media the rove you man go man even right no here la the rove you wa we not ayo we who wa yan e ru wa fi abi wa mai say okay, we na ka ben for one. Okay, kin wa me we ho we wa na la tian. Wa na la jan don't insult anybody. That person have every right to come out and give you back the same insult, if possible triple. Over the enemy triple. Able with the root that way. Walk out la jan do rove your money. I might be your severio. Wow. Igyon oro. We na la tian. And when I do a cheer boy, a bomber. I'm on a joy bien with a bedroom where cokia. Where no money are you? Where no money are you? If I leave you, Gion. Would that where a joy where baby dedication? Igo rere na ya fini again na wa kwen ona mo ari wa omari mi ni omari sele ni gion igion na wa mo rudoni do se na omoni again bi na gion omari no yari ba ye omari no ya fidi ye we do lati han we do a che bomo we do agwani ha when egbe ma we oho one cater for your family first gion yari gbole cause eku go to mo mani en we eku we omuyan Mwa adazo na dazo wa open wa mai sen wa do amegbu wa yi social media we na ka ve von if I come across any video you on me there, you guys mention my name in the wrong way, I will come out and paste your picture there and I will insult the living daylight of you and you your generation yet unborn. Ya gbugbe ju wa. Kaka mwana we must send do. I'm not your clique. I will never be, and I don't want to belong to. No. Okay? So wagawe. Okay? Where are you wahoo? You guys have to lead by an example. Your behavior, your character, your attitude have to reflect the people that you claim to be representing. If you come on social media to be misbehaving and constituting nuisance, you guys will continue to receive insults. But if you come for me, I will give you triple. Yeah, you want or we will turn. Is what I will if you could go, yeah, salad. Anything you want to say. The more where me share my bike or share video. Do my drug in over the morphine or woman to qua. Or where all woman to qua now my drug in over here. The no email. Yes, I'm not coming. And it's none of my business. And I don't care. A social media, a video the morphine. So a Facebook on our video, maybe we talk one, maybe or Guanya or my record day. A Facebook on our. So he came on live. And that's one go on. So he want people to help him share the video. That's exactly what I did.
Up to this evening.
Oh.
When I ended
Live video. My first son called me.
When there again was
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Prince Edwin Idaosa. You know, when I bring they call his picture out this evening. So when I ended the live video, my first son called me. Said, Daddy, I know this man in Aachen. When we visit Imatitikwa, that Omede Collis,
can you imagine? Gave
him one bag
when they draw dealer
and gave him 10 euro to deliver this bag to somebody, to white man. And my son was 13 years old.
My God, on that age.
18 years old.
On that age, on that age, you know.
So he refused.
God.
That he never knew the direction to Banov.
My God.
Then Omode forced him that he's going to give him money.
That is a crime.
That what is inside is just a ordinary leaf. So he said ordinary leaf.
Really?
He said he's too young to do this. That he don't know what is inside his things. So on my day, as 13 years old boy, they wanted to give him drug. Wanted to send him to a Banov, that is train station in Aachen. To deliver a drug to a white man. So when my son was telling me this thing, I was shedding tears. I said I must go to live video.
A chief in Ahina. A chief in Ahina. This is chief. You wanted to use underage boy to deliver drug, hard drug. Ah, no. You claim to be representing the palace with this kind of record? Please. Please. Lord. Shocking. Underage boy.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Ah, no.
My name is Prince Edwin Idaosa. You know, when I bring they call his picture out this evening. So when I ended the live video, my first son called me. Said, Daddy, I know this man in Aachen. When we visit Imatitikwa, that Omede Collis Nusayaba gave him one bag and gave him 10 euro to deliver this bag to somebody, to white man. And my son was 13 years old. 13 years old. So he refused. That he never knew the direction to Banov. Then they forced him that he's going to give him money, that what is inside is just a ordinary leaf.
Igbo.
So
no.
he said ordinary leaf.
No,
He said
ordinary leaf.
he's too young to do this. That he don't know what is inside his things. So on my day, as 13 years old boy, they wanted to give him drug. Wanted to send him to Banov, that is train station in Aachen, to deliver a drug to a white man.
Jesus.
So when my son was telling me this thing, I was shedding tears. I said I must go to live video, tell the word, then to go to Polizei tomorrow to report this issue. Why can a 13 years old boy, they will send him to go and deliver it? I don't know, he said it's paper. Who know whether it's cocaine or the marijuana?
Wow.
So how can they be using a teenager for all this atrocity? He called himself a chief.
Can you imagine?
Please, the world have to know what Omede is doing in this country.
The world have to do.
So by tomorrow morning, I'm taking my son to Polizei to report this case.
My God.
I don't want, if you people heard of you, you say, this man is too bad. But I will not give that to any Ghanaian human being. Because I am not dealt on drug before. We just pay a visit to Imatitikwa in Aachen. Because I cannot keep my son inside. He can go anywhere to play with children. But I didn't know that Omede sending an errand to give him drug to deliver for him. So I want to use this medium to tell the world that this man, he called himself a chief, sending 30 years old boy to deliver a message.
Underage.
Please, the world will know about this man. The kind of dubious and useless man he is to be sending a teenager message, drug to deliver for him, just to gain more money using a charge, a little boy. So please, I'm aware of it now. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to tell this Polizei. I will use Dutch. I will make sure that Omede go in for this. If you know any lawyer in this world for Omede to send my little boy to deliver a drug, that is, he wanted to destroy my son.
Yes, exactly.
He wanted to destroy my son. Even the second one said, he's aware, sir. He's aware, daddy, that when they called my senior boy, that please, he want to see him. He thought maybe he want to just send him an error, not knowing that he's going to give him a bag to deliver this message for him. This is what Omede is using our children to do in Europe.
Wow. By
sending them a message with quantity of drug to deliver for them, to earn more money, and he will use that. What about he took those things and delivered, then the police took it, catch him on the way. Then they will say, yes, maybe I am the one. Not knowing that we just pay a visit to Imatitikwa in Aachen, or they saw him, called him, that go and deliver this message. So I want Omede to come and prove this thing. This is Germany, this is Europe country. This is what Omede did last time ago. He pushed Tony Kabaka to send me to the palace and humiliate. But that, I'm so glad of it that, yes, the palace people know me so well that I'm so gentle, that I have not done anything wrong to my life, not just that mistake. But for this one,
for 13 years. They sent my son to deliver a drug. You will die for this. This is your end time. Call the best lawyer in the world. He can talk.
You will die for
He's
this.
well educated. I'm telling you, if I should call him now, you will see the way we talk to the world. For you sending my little boy to deliver a drug for you, you will sue, you will die in prison, you will rot in prison. You will die in prison. You will rot in prison. You will die in prison. You will rot in prison. College, no sayaba, you will die in prison. You will die in prison. I've said it. And the other one called Iranomieso. You called my wife that I'm no more coming back. This was all your plan. You think I can sleep for this? You called my wife and you were telling her that I'm not coming back. That they swear, the oath I took in the palace, I will die. Then you were turning all the way around. You think it's just those people that is coming to abroad for prostitution that you can just easily think it's blessing. You think it's blessing that you can just trickle and collect all his wealth and make love to her. My wife is well known. My wife is not a prostitute. My wife, I've never done that before. Even my wife cannot work here in Germany. For my wife to work, I will take that responsibility because I love her so dearly. Also her, she loved me so much. We have set a thing for ourselves that never in our life, nothing will happen, that separation will come. It's only God. It's only God that makes separation. Man cannot do it. Even though you are a human, you cannot separate us. So, Iranomigo, you are a bastard. I've said it, I cannot insult your children, but you are a bastard. And you are the enemy of the palace. Enemy, strong enemy. Nothing that will change it. Go to Benin. For the Omede, you will die in prison. Watch out tomorrow. Police will visit your family and you will be invited to the police. We will meet in the court. Me, you, and my son. We will meet in the court. Take the best lawyer in the world. Take the best lawyer in the world. I've said it. I will call police right now. I will tell them to come to my house, wake up my son, listen to my son, and see what is your reaction tomorrow morning. I'm going to deal with you severely for sending my son for an errand of drug addicts. You are a bastard man. You are a useless man. You are a fake chief. I will deal with you severely.
Fake chief.
Report me to any direction you can. My name is Prince Edwin Idahosa, born on the 23/7/1966. Yours, you will die for this. You know what is teenager? You know what is kinder in Germany? Sending kinder, drug addict. You want to destroy my little boy because you know he's so intelligent. Don't worry. With God, all things are possible. I don't believe in human. I believe in God. Because God always intervenes in anything you are doing. So with God, all things are possible. That is my message to the world. They wanted to involve my son to a drug addict. If it is not that God stands for my family, yeah, you got what away. Maybe okay, my chick away. Yeah, la janwa. Yeah, la jan. Am I going to medemwe a drug in there? Away build away. Away a bikeka. If bina go all the way. A die cocaine or that marijuana. Yeah. So we all have back at it. Yeah, me picture la janwa na we baba. A man I again. Or give on when you deliver the ban of, you know, you might ban off Ona de 10 euro ni we give ni ya la boss here to ban up that ya we ni we ade that o ma ri mi ni ni ri imae ni me na mu picture la jama kotana o me no jona gu me gonwa so we get 13 years o me de ya gyo yo han be jenny and it's a guilty law. It's a guilty law on me the college no sayaba no rahe. So every time the whole world is very bad.
Against the law.
On me the tomorrow morning ya tie gbale gbenya maybe ya re pa ya wo gbe no tawe ya so ni awu akwe motobo memori the police ma ya ya video no gunyagwa o gunyagwa ne do pe ma the whole world ogwagwe awuji ogwagwe matita police abwa we so wa nínú one we den be ya fe ko wa produce ya benu ya do gwa be ya den ma be o te wa atamo yi record ya I'm telling you wa produce ya ma ogbalegbe cause he get drug or ya do it 13 years
Salobua
yo salobua no muja ni family o se una popo o se una vitamo wo pa we no very here no very fake no ke fake account no ni a chebo ni family me no a chebo me live video imame mi we de wo mi we gi ohun wo je popo me na wo be bu me ade wa gwe ogi oba wo be bu era no mi so no America no wa wo be atama we no mo picture wo kan no vie picture vi la je no mo bogbu bugi vi
okay one hour oh now just listen to what Omede is doing. Okay one emi ya fefe na demo fi water cake na kidan ya fefe no Omede ora igberidian o be agbebodo ora ri won nare eso koi erigi on ve do oya me we obiyan ma wan recording ya emi bu very oni so egbe ma very oni they cannot even represent their own family not to talk of where you do agwan anybody, you know. So Kenya don't have social media. They are doing it for themselves. They are not advocating for anyone. They are just, trying to tarnish the name of innocent people and no one with tutorial. They are trying to drag people into their mess and into their nonsense. That's exactly what they are trying to do. And we're not like to Rovion. You guys should, you guys must be ready to receive the same insult. Triple one. Ruda will be na cavern everyone. Wow.
Do ma bio makane. Imagine la jande ni cheboni buwe. O ni chebono buha. Botuna atamera no mieso. No wa. No gyoba. Weva ba le ni buwa. Agi ye de na mieso we giwe. O giwe en teme kuke. Muno wiwe. Amaye. Botako atobo egun.
This match is serious.
Then why set gagini while the time balebe.
Na serious.
When the time the owo wa make na no me de webo. No me de webo. On me de college. No we no say aba ehin. When the time the owo.
God.
Ma watch on relaxing. Jo no re London.
Salo.
Oyin see when he laugh. Wo we gbe very on here. We gbe very on here yen kan wo ma danu. But I na woni biegbe ne. But my go give me as far as no mo kuke. Adiye inana Omede college no sayaba. Umwegbe no ya gwaligo ya fe no atedomu legwa. No wa plan legwa no wa adomu.
Wawa. Owigo ya ni adomu legwa. Ni aya dugo muena dimofi. Hey, salo bua wo obu yobi to one.
Mugbane, when we are setting gagini, while the time balebe, or Germany, when the time the old one make an eye, no me de webo, no me de webo, on me de college. No way, no say by him, when the time the old world, my watch on relaxing, John or London, or in see when he laugh. Well, we will be very on here. Well, we will be very on here, and kind of woman down. But I ain't only big with it. But in my go give me as far as no more cooking. Adie inana omede college no sayaba umwegbe no ya gwaligo ya fe no atedomu legwa no wa plan legwa no wa adomu o se wona se ogun bale se yegbo ya ke ogun oba wana ka yime ya nwogo wa ya me nwogo ne wa igwale no wa ume una te gi owe no pia no dion na te gi no ya mo deliver drug omede 13 years omede wa jun we bi ko yin
omi ye wo
we ya no we
omi ye wo
umegbe we ari ga o ma ka je ga 3 years 6 months 2 months no juna na we ya na je ga ma no we una 13 years o we mo drug na 14 years 17 years down 18 years right no do mo na je ga maka but money me koko dey wait am we pe drug ne get money na refuse ye mu ayo do ki na o ma geta get me na me picture la den why know this man daddy he gave me a bag said I should deliver for him in Banoff but I refused. He said it's just ordinary leaf but look at it, it's leaf, deliver it for me. Wa ma me e Morocco omede wa sun we dene ju ewu ma de ra wi ju wa sun wa ya wa yan lule
omi ye wo
wa wona tie social media president
a drug that
ye re wona wa we so stra Viana Grat we gbe ni meni yoto ogbalegbe awe tama wewe yes ahon eni I make na mana ahon iwie mani wo no akere ku e Morocco ya Austria ya no wana tie Prince Edwin Dausa yi wo go ele Gemina we di ni ari o gbalegbe no ri mi ewe na ya no enu we una uti ate gbe won mo wa te destroy won mo umudia eno koi ma me agbala court mudia kewe no tamima enu gutere ya won mo wa
salo
omede you I will personally deal with you for the life intro emenuga ata ye jabowe but wa we gbe ladian enu ma e una gbe ta intro emi awe una emi awe wi challenge Emmanuel Viore ya pe because human trafficking igbinayi or na disturb me intro or una gwale no awon pelu ke gbon we but inwa gewe abi human trafficking wu de ba se to nu nu na mwina uyewe human trafficking do popo meyi ima popo we ma ni obo me so do wa gun ni obo me so do e gbalegbe ni ya ba vitali ni ati we no da inu go disturb mo ana inu gwalo guba inu gwalo na nyeba wa itama itu we kana but my stress obo me go kenu ye you break am wewe gbogwo yegbe enu down on la video gbogwo yegbe asuna information where yes mo fi face real live video that they are recording everything on the time iye momo egbe police so mo fi face to ball gi egbe ga no ya ri egbe iye ga e mo face ga la court e dere a judge we be power e dere o mo face even where we me atam we live video where this is what you are doing where dere we like that wa me we e panata ya dere gele like that where you one degbe and then we are charging you are court emi awon we o ye we are offend the police we are give you adon we me be wo mo dudon here we me be wo mo dudon here ikata ma we dere we dudon mu here o ga punish egbo ogi jore no ro jore enemy of palace owonu tinyege no do America me tamu wewe me ma unu time go straight to Edo State enu ju nuewu unu ya roko gie Edo go there ya wo gbe you no te ba nu do to ho na you no ta do to kunwe no wa se done wa se gwane ya hoy ma that is the information in my nuwa we have we say Omede is a danger man, is a useless man
or man send it 30 years, or marijuana, no, I'm one ban of. That is it. Way no the eye. Na me we be can reni no na ti bo wa we ya na me be can reni o jigo etazi o ya ge ya hune bege igbe no medeu ema o ya ria be kawa o ya destroy ya no medeu e do tam wana wa he we akwe ya re police station. I will let you all know even my here say bye.
Now we are doing some why so just 8 a.m. here this morning, Friday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Thank you for listening to this audio broadcast. Might come back online later on or tomorrow. So we are still on Omede and Gion. We trying to expose their evil deeds so far on social media. The way they are trying to scam people, extort money from people using the name of the palace, blackmail people. These are the guys that form fake royal army to impersonate the palace on social media. You know, they will communicate with the a lady called Princess Simarabi, and they recorded the lady and played her audio on social media, which they don't supposed to do so. So they have committed a lot of atrocity. And they are claiming that they are the mouthpiece of the Edo people in the diaspora. They don't have the moral right to represent or speak for anyone because their record is just too dirty. Their hands are soiled. They are criminals. As I said before, if you want to represent the Edo people, you have to lead by an example. Your character, your behavior, your attitude on social media must reflect the people that you claim that are the one that sent you to represent Edo people in diaspora. So far, with the Edo, the responsible Edo people are saying that we reject Omede and we reject Igihon. They cannot speak for Edo in diaspora. They are not qualified to speak for the Edos. We have responsible Edo men and women. If that be the case, that we can select that can speak for us. They don't have what it. I don't care if they are safe or not. They don't have what it is because their behavior stinks. Thanks everyone for listening to me, and bye for now. Have a blessed day.